Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and look what we got in the building. Hashtag Team Pixel. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so here we have the Google Pixel 3 XL. Hashtag Team Pixel is definitely in the building. So if you guys have a Pixel from the OG one to the Pixel 2 XL to now the Pixel 3 or the Pixel 3 XL, you guys are part of Team Pixel. No invitation needed. So here's the box itself. If you guys want to take a look at this, hashtag Team Pixel. And on the side, you can see what the side button looks like. So for this year, they have the white version, and it comes with a green accent button. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. Take out a little Miggy real quick. All right. So shout out to little Miggy here. So let's see how you open this. So right there, one, and two. So I just broke the seal. So if you guys haven't seen any videos in this, that's a miracle because there are tons of videos. So big shout out to to Google for actually sending this out to me. So I do have the clearly white version right here. It's pretty dope, pretty clean, by the way. Let's get a focus so you guys can see the box. So here's the bottom of the box if you guys are interested. Pixel 3 XL, 6.3 inches, 64 gigabyte version, clearly white. So let's get back into focus. So there's the box itself. So here's the phone, guys. Check it out. Clearly white is in the building. Now I did have the Panda Pixel, which I actually do still have. And this was my phone of the year, by the way. So let's just put that to the side for a little bit of comparisons. So pretty much the same size, honestly. I thought it would be a lot more bigger, but as you guys already know, we do have that notch. So I'll definitely see what that looks like. So let's just put that to the side and open the rest of the box. All right, so let's see what's in the packaging. So here we have our SIM ejection tool. What else do we have? Let's get started. And we have some Google stickers and Team Pixel stickers. Put that on my laptop. And we do have our power brick. That's for fast charging, which is pretty good. Let's see what it's clocked in at. 2.0 amps. And 3 amps. So this thing is for fast charging, which is pretty cool. Alright guys, so let's just take this out. This looks like the earbuds because you do have a little ear right there. And these do actually look like the Pixel buds, but it has a Type-C wired right there on the bottom. The wire is a little bit thinner than expected, but they are free. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Type-C is in the building now. I remember how the Pixel 2 XL had no earbuds, so this is definitely a plus. We do have a Type-C cable right here, Type-C to Type-C, so you know it's going to be some super fast charging. And we do have a dongle right here, and we have our transfer USB port if you guys want to transfer all your information from your old device. So here we have our dongle, Type-C to 3.5. Put that to the side. So let's get back into the phone because that's what you guys want to see. So let's just pop this baby out. Here we go. So I haven't had no time with this yet. That was kind of weak, but here we go. The first time I'm actually seeing this. The notch almost looks like it has a screen protector on it already. Type-C, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, two-tone white. So it almost has like a type of ceramic type of look, almost like the Apple Watch from back in the day, but this is pretty. It's a perfect size because it does actually have that same type of size as the Pixel 2 XL. So, but it does have a bigger display and less bezel. So let's just power this baby on and see what it looks like. There you go, guys. So the first thing I do notice is the notch, and from my first impression, it looks like a face. It definitely looks like a face, guys. It actually looks like it's smiling at you. Definitely. So you do have that bottom bezel here, but you do have the two front firing speakers. You got one up here, and you do have a dual front camera with a wide angle lens. And on the back, you have a single lens, but you know this camera is definitely on point when it comes to pictures. It looks like the SIM slot is on the bottom left now for some reason. And you do have a mint green power button right there. And we have our fingerprint scanner right there on the back. Now, I'm definitely interested in a couple of features that the Pixel 3 XL comes with, including that one that has the screen calling feature. So honestly, guys, if you guys didn't know, I was a big fan of the Pixel 2 XL, so I was always Team Pixel. I was gonna skip this year, but big shout out to Google for actually sending this out to me. Hashtag gift from Pixel, hashtag Team Pixel in the building. So if you guys want to see more coverage of the Google Pixel 3 XL, if you guys have any questions, just let me know down in the comments below. I'll try to answer them as fast as I can. So if you guys want to buy this product, the link will be down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this. So let's get it started, baby. Google Pixel 3 XL is in the building. Later. Pow. That's another pow for y'all.